my role at Cytiva is to be the first point of contact for our diagnostic customers and get them to liaise with our R&D team to initially develop their products and then get into the manufacturing phase where then it's quickly released to the market. So we try and accelerate the production of the products and the launch of their products.
For me, as a technology manager, I'm really close to customers. I need to understand what they're doing. I need to understand the applications that they're using our products in, and we need to be able to translate that into kind of our roadmap and where we go to really help deliver solutions.
I'm the point of contact internally to help the customers. We can work with sales to make sure that they're getting the service they require from Cytiva and that they're getting their products on time and as required. Working with the teams internally, making sure that the custom teams, the manufacturing, the R&D teams are all following the same strategy and the same plan, and that we are making things that the customers actually want and require from us.
I think the diversity of our team is our strong point. Like, we are all in the same side. We are with production, with customers, R&D, and we have a really good communication.